This segment will familiarize you with the operation of your new Agri-Fab Spike Aerator. Make sure to read and understand the vehicle manual and Spike Aerator manual before using this aerator. Always instruct other users before they operate the aerator. The Spike Aerator points are sharp. Exercise caution during handling and always wear safety gloves. Never allow children to handle the aerator. Keep the area of operation clear of all persons, particularly small children and pets. Never allow anyone to ride on the aerator. Always wear footwear when working with the aerator. Do not tow this equipment on public roads. Never operate the aerator if there are loose or damaged parts. Tighten any fasteners that have become loose and replace any damaged parts. Check the loading capacity of the towing vehicle before using the aerator. When starting off, make sure that the aerator retains its balance and does not overturn. Always operate up and down a slope, never across the face of a slope. Do not work on slopes greater than 10 degrees. Do not exceed 6 miles per hour. Drive slowly and carefully, especially when turning and on uneven ground. Note that the driving and braking characteristics change depending upon the load. Always aerate in the straightest line possible. Make overlapping passes to increase the density of the spike point pattern. If the ground is extremely hard and dry, it should be watered down for 1 to 2 hours prior to aeration. Do not aerate if the ground is too wet. To use the aerator, remove the cotter pin from the clevis pin, securing the lift handle to the handle bracket. Then pull the handle back to raise the wheels. Now reinsert the clevis pin into the handle bracket and secure with the cotter pin. To increase the depth of spike point penetration, weight can be added to the tray. Weights should be secured with rubber tie-down straps. We recommend concrete patio blocks. Do not exceed the max weight of 100 pounds. Before each use, check all fasteners for tightness. Tighten any loose fasteners before use. If rust appears, sand lightly and coat the affected parts with enamel paint. Lubricate wheels and pivot points as needed. When storing for longer periods of time, coat exposed, unpainted metal parts with light oil. Remove the cotter pin from the clevis pin and rotate the drawbar towards the wheel handle. Then reinsert the clevis pin and secure it with the cotter pin. Then, store the equipment in a dry area.